welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking, and I really want to say you are most welcome, and please just join the family by subscribing right now. Don't forget to leave a comment and a like as well. Tell us where are you watching from. Yes, so for my existing subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for keeping it up here always. Yes, you guys keep me going, and it's because of you that I am doing this content. On this channel, we do podcast whereby we invite people and talk about life in general. We talk about money, relationship. We talk about day in a day-to-day life, what is trending, and much more, by the way. Yeah, so the other thing that we do is YouTube tips. Of course, we want you to know how can you grow your channel, how can you grow in terms of subscribers, how can you grow in terms of views, how can you boost views, how can you start as a small YouTuber and keep it at the top. So guys, today I want to talk about equipments that you can use to as a small YouTuber. I know most of us want to start a YouTube channels, but we do have excuses every day. Like, you keep postponing. You're like, no, I don't have this, I don't have the other, I don't have a camera, I don't have a laptop, I don't have, like, name them all. Like, you keep postponing. I don't have a mic, I don't have a ring light. But let me tell you guys, you only need like three of them for you to start a channel. Yes, 3 of them. And once you have those 3, you are really ready to go. You are set. Actually, I think it's the most important thing is actually 2 out of the 3. The most important is 2. Yes, because let me just mention, the first thing that you need is a phone. Yes, I know most of you think that for you to have quality videos, you only need a camera, and I think it's good to have a camera if you have money. It's very good. But if you don't have money, you can use your phone and start as small and then keep on growing. And the more you grow, the more you start buying more equipment, the more you start buying a better camera, the more you start looking for a better laptop that you can use to edit, the more you can start to buy those lights, buy good mics. But if you don't have money, man, you don't have time. Don't even wait for you to reach at that point whereby you have saved money for you to invest in YouTube. And then also the other thing is that if you are a small YouTuber and you start with all those equipments, you'll to some point, I feel like you're putting your expectations so high, which is not a bad thing, but it will only be bad if your channel is not growing as fast as you were expecting it to grow. You get my point? Yes. So what you only need is a phone, and you're good to go. And okay, about the ring light, if you have money, you can buy the ring light. Actually, you can get a very good ring light at an affordable price. And the other thing that you might not actually need a ring light when you're starting a channel, because personally, when I was starting a channel, I didn't have a ring light. I didn't have any lighting. I used to ensure that I used to use natural lighting when I was shooting my videos. I used to use natural lighting. And when you look at my old videos, most of them I used to shoot videos mostly during day, because during day I used to have a very good natural lighting, but at night I used not to. But let me tell you, some of the videos that I began that time, the videos that are still getting views and views and views. They're in, they're out. Yes. So the other thing that you actually need is a mic. Let me tell you, if you want to really if you really want to have good views and ensure that you really have that good content, there are 2 things that you really need to take serious. One is the video. Your video should be quality. Of course, I don't mean that it's a must for you to, shoot a video in 4K. Like right now I'm shooting a video, it's not in 4K, but the quality is good. And the other thing is the audio. Yes, let me give you a scenario. My first videos, I used not to have a mic, like I mentioned, and when you listen to those videos, most of them have a low audio. Like the audio used to be low because I was using my phone, and then also that phone was not that good enough to capture the good quality audio. Yes, and also the video at the same time. So if you are looking at starting a channel, if you really have money for a mic, they're not expensive, even 500, even 1000 Kenyan shilling, I mean, you can get a mic. Even 2000 you can get a mic. But before you reach to invest to buying those things, start with your phone. Start with your phone. If your voice you feel is not that audible enough, you can try to increase the sound, like yourself, the way you speak. Yes. So the other last thing that I can talk about that you actually need is a stand. It's a tripod. That one, you actually need a tripod because you want to you'll find that the angles at which you'll have the natural lighting, you're not able to have any way of how you can put up the phone. So if you have a tripod, it's really very easy for you to just put the phone in that angle. You sit down, make those videos, or in any angle. It's actually very easy and convenient for you to use. Yes, other than if you don't have you been able to get something? What are you waiting for? You don't actually need to keep postponing. You don't need to keep pushing like day by day. Just get your phone, just sit down here the way I am here, put out that content, like get a niche, like put out that content. A lot of people are starting channels and you are postponing day by day. How about if you change your mind, and how about if you just start and you see how it will go? You might be thinking that things may not work out well, and maybe you do 1 2 3 videos and you make it, and even you monetize the channel in just 7 days. You monetize maybe 3 days, or you monetize in less than a month. Yeah, so never say never. Okay, not even never say never, but it's always good to try than fail to try. Yeah, so I want to push you, like if you have been planning to start a channel and you are looking at investing those camera, or investing in big mics, lightings, man, you don't need that at the moment. What you need is to start. That's what that is the most important thing. The others are going to come. Yes, and also the passion. Yeah, anyway, I hope that this video, it has been good to you, and I hope you've been able to learn something. Tell me that in the comment section, and please just take time and watch my videos that you see up there. They might be of interest to you.